What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, checking in with another video, man. And I know it's been a minute. I just really record when I can. I haven't been around nothing, footage, and plus it's cold. It's been cold as hell in Tennessee lately. It's starting to warm up, and I finally made a little purchase from Skar. I don't know if you can see it in the background, but I went ahead and bought me some EVLs. Went ahead and got the package, all what I can afford right now. Put it on my Skar 2K. The top one is my 1000 watt 4 channel, but it ain't hooked up right now because I ain't bought no door speakers yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, see what's in it. Also, we're gonna unscrew one of the EVLs out the box because I heard there was a brace holding up the magnet. I just want to see if it's true or not. I want to see how it looks. I seen it in another video. I just want to see if my box is like it. Alright, so, my bad. Pop just pulled up on me. But, man, I lost train of thought now. I should give y'all a demo of the SCRs, what they can do, and the Tahoe kind of thing is pointless. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up. Let me find a song real quick. 1 second. Yeah, pretty much pointless. So let's get these damn speakers out of here.
Now you get to watch me struggle with these speakers out of here by myself. Out of breath, no struggle at all. The gym for.
Now, the box itself don't look too bad at all, man. Like there's no damage to the box, so we'll go ahead and open it up, man. Let me set the camera up real quick. And it would be facing the other way. Okay, let's see what we working with. Okay, close the tripod up. Let's go around the front. And so far, it's nothing like the speakers are damaged. Oh yeah. Been waiting on these things for a long time. Yeah. Flip them over, get some light on it. Give me just a minute. Okay. Nice little metal neck right here. I like how the speakers shine, man. They stiff as hell too. Yeah, I'm about to break them in. Yep. Already wired down to one on. EVLs, baby. Get these things in here. Get them SVRs out. SDRs, my bad. I almost forgot I did say I was gonna take these out the box and see if it had that. Shit, bless me. But see if it had that support for the magnet. And I also want to see how big the magnet is on this SDRs. Like, I've never took these out the box the whole time I had them. I've never took these out the box. All right, let's grab some tools. This thing does not want to come out, and I did hear that it was hard to come out with that brace, so it's probably in there. I'm determined to find it. Pop's gonna give me copyright. Yes, sir. In fact, indeed, it is in there. See if I can lift this speaker up. Yes, that's the brace. Well, I guess you could say support for the magnet. Pretty nice box, man. Pretty nice box. There's a port. What gauge wire is this? Hope it's 12, because Mom had to change it out. Yep, 12 gauge. Good God, this thing got a fat magnet on it. Pretty heavy too. Everything looks intact. I'm sorry my camera looks dirty. I just now realized that. Alright, man, let's put this thing back in here. Let's make sure I didn't pull on the wires too hard. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I wiped my camera off, so it should be a little bit more clear now. But I got them in. Those big faces, they tough. Okay, so as you see, I live in a little residential neighborhood, a whole bunch of houses around me, a whole bunch of little old folks out there. But so, it means I gotta go somewhere else to do the demo. So, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, and that was the demo with no extra battery, no extra alternator, nothing, just running off stock power. And boy, the speakers clipping it about hurt my damn feelings. I know y'all heard that shit. But I guess it's the end of this video. Next video I'm gonna be rewiring this truck because the wiring in here is horrible. And throwing another battery. I think I'm going to AGM this time. No marine battery, straight AGM. But thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Deuces, I'm out.